Alrighty, fellas and fellettes, welcome back to the Hot Damn Racing Team, and if you're new here, welcome. Alright, so what we got going on today, we are installing an electric exhaust cutout system. Alright, because of the HOA I have here, I had to put my stock muffler back on, and kind of makes me sound like George Jetson when I'm going down the drag strip, so we got to fix that, right? More than one way to skin a cat. Okay, so to get started, all right, I've already got the pipe installed. You'll see that, the collector or whatever they call it, the exhaust cutout. It is a 3-inch. If you want to get the same exact thing, this is what you're looking at for that. All right, now I know QTP, if you look here, QuickTime Performance, they have a kit. All right, but if I get that kit, I would have had to either get it welded, which is not a problem, or I had to get 3-inch bands to install it, and that's not what I wanted to do. I got a, what's that, not really a race, you know, I'm trying to go faster next week, 12/4, so I'm just trying to get things slapped on real quick, and I wanted something quick, simple, and cheap. All right, so I know QTP sells the kit, but it's gonna cost me a little extra still and some time to get that actual kit on, the pipe, so it has to be welded or I need to buy the bands. This, I spent a little more than the kit, maybe like 20, 30 bucks more, but I didn't have to spend no more after that, all right? Completely bolt on. All right, I did need to cut a piece of the pipe, very easy to do, you know, pretty simple to measure up. I believe Boosted Motorsports has got a video on that, and this is actually, I wanna give a shout out, I almost forgot, to Boosted Motorsports, John. I was gonna get a more expensive system, and told me don't do it. All right, and I thank him for that, and Matt Fecack as well. Both of them. I bought this from Mo's Performance. The owner is Matt Fecack, and he suggested to me to get a save my money. All right, and I appreciate it, guys. I believe I did save my money. All I had to do was go to work, use the Sawzall there, cut my pipe down, throw on this exhaust cutout, and then now I'm at home. I can do this part at home. I don't need a Sawzall. All right, I should have a Sawzall. I do have a saw, but it wouldn't have been adequate. All right, I'd wanted this all to be quick. So, and plus I also needed a buddy, all right, to put a foot on the stock exhaust and push it back so I can get this on. You'll kind of see, I apologize, the camera falls over, it goes one way or the other. Some, you know, points in the video, you don't get to see everything. Try to explain what happened, but it was just a wham bam, thank you ma'am, put it on, you know, and this is just little small details. I don't know if it's gonna make me faster or not. Hopefully it doesn't decrease performance. If it increases performance, excellent. All right, I have a few guys telling me it'll bump up my mile per hour. Well, I'd like that. That would be badass if I could hit a hundo, all right, next week. The audio, when I was recording, I did a little test pump, turn the truck on, give a little bit of audio sample. The camera, for some reason, it automatically, when it got loud, the mic turned down. So what I'm gonna have to do is throw a GoPro under the truck where the mic doesn't turn down when it gets loud. All right, so I apologize for that. It's gonna sound a little weird. We're not getting the full effect, but all right, so we'll do the pipe install real quick, pretty basic, and then I'm gonna go ahead and install this. All right, it's not gonna be a full install. All right, what I'm gonna do is just bolt this on. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do for now. And then I don't know what I'm gonna do for power, just something simple. Gonna run the line, that's it, done, race. And then I'll have another month to play with it and clean it up, all right, before the next race. Hot damn, yeah. This is just one of those things that kind of happen, all right? And I think it should be happening, and it is. Ooh.
on the exhaust right here, push it back, cut it on. Now we're gonna see look, I said help me out. Woo! Hot day. Yeah. Help this out if I take this off. Sucks. I don't know if it'll throw a code with this thing vibrating. I have the plate that goes for it, and then this pipe. Try to get the exhaust back in there. Let's try to push from the, or either you could do it or I could do it, push from the tailpipes. Okay. Or maybe you can try to get your foot on there. On this side? Yep, and push it back. Oh, it's coming. Huh, it's coming while I'm hitting it. Sounds like freaking jets flying over. Hot damn. Alright, really simple tools, the Sawzall. See what this baby sounds like. Oh. Yeah. That's gotta be the sexiest thing I've heard. Alright guys, here's the MagnaFlow section right here. All I gotta do is take this plate off, put this on, run my wires however I'm gonna run them into the cab and figure that out. I might have to give you a part 2 video on that, but we'll get this blade on right now. Oh yeah. All right, that little part's done. Okay, so I lucked out, and same place kind of where I put my nitrous lines and whatnot. I got another place right here I could just run my wiring, so that is gonna be pretty easy. All right, so badass. From there, we're probably gonna do a part 2. Oh yeah, baby. Powered by Milwaukee. Yeah, baby. 12 volt.